Hi everyone, welcome to Target Integration's YouTube channel. Target Integration is your CRM's matchmaker and an official GoHighLevel partner. In this video, we'll walk through the complete GoHighLevel interface and explore all the modules one by one. I'll explain what each section is used for and how it helps you manage your business operations efficiently. Let's get started. This is the Launchpad, the first screen you see when you log in. The Launchpad helps you set up your account and connect all the key integrations. You can link your Google or Outlook calendars, connect your email and phone numbers, and even integrate payment gateways like Stripe. It also includes setup steps like creating your first contact, setting up automated campaigns, and connecting your social media accounts. Basically, the Launchpad is your starting point to make sure everything in GoHighLevel is connected and ready to use. Next is the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your business performance. Here you can see key metrics such as total leads, opportunities, pipeline value, conversion rates, and revenue trends. It's a quick way to monitor how your business is performing and whether your marketing and sales activities are moving in the right direction. The Conversations module brings all your client messages into one single place. You can view and reply to texts, emails, Facebook messages, and even WhatsApp chats, all from here. This is really helpful for maintaining client communication without having to switch between multiple apps. You can also create templates, automate replies, and assign conversations to team members for faster follow-ups. The Calendars module is where you can manage all your appointments. You can create calendar links for your team, set your availability, and share booking links with clients. It automatically handles scheduling, rescheduling, and reminders. If a client books a slot, it instantly appears on your calendar, and both of you get confirmation and reminder notifications. This helps reduce no-shows and saves time. The Contacts section stores all your leads and customer details. Every person who fills out a form, calls you, or interacts with your campaigns gets stored here automatically. You can view each contact's details, their name, phone number, email, notes, and activity history. You can also add tags, assign them to specific workflows, or move them to pipelines. It's like a built-in CRM to manage all your relationships in one place. The Opportunities module is where your sales pipeline lives. Here, you can see all your deals and leads at different stages, like new lead, in progress, won or lost. You can move deals across stages by simply dragging and dropping. It's a great way to track where each lead stands in the sales process and what actions are needed to close the deal. In the Payments module, you can send invoices, create products, and collect payments. You can connect payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal and start collecting payments directly from your clients. It also keeps a record of all transactions, invoices, and payment links, making it easier to track your financial activity inside the platform. The AI Agents section is where you can set up automated chatbots to handle client communication. These AI agents can answer common questions, capture leads, book appointments, or even send follow-ups automatically. It's especially useful if you receive a lot of inquiries and want 24/7 support without needing a human to respond every time. The Marketing module handles all your outbound marketing activities. From here, you can create and send email or SMS campaigns, build workflows for lead nurturing, and track campaign performance. It's also where you can set up bulk messages, newsletters, and promotional updates to stay in touch with your audience. The Automation section is the core of GoHighLevel. Here, you can create workflows that automatically run tasks when specific conditions are met. For example, when a new lead fills out a form, you can automatically send them a welcome email, notify your sales team, and add them to a follow-up campaign. Automations save you time and ensure that no lead slips through the cracks. The Sites module lets you create and manage websites, landing pages, and funnels. You can design pages using drag-and-drop blocks, add forms or booking links, and connect them directly to your CRM. It's perfect for businesses that want to build marketing pages or capture leads without using separate tools. The Membership section allows you to create and manage online courses or training programs. You can upload videos, add lesson modules, and manage student access, all from one place. It's great for coaches, trainers, or agencies that want to provide exclusive content to clients. The Media Storage module is your content library. You can upload and store all your images, videos, and files that you use across your campaigns, websites, and automations. It helps keep all your assets organized and easily accessible. The reputation module helps you manage online reviews. You can send automated review requests to clients after a service or purchase, and manage all the responses from Google and Facebook in one place. This feature is especially helpful for improving your online credibility and monitoring client feedback. The reporting module provides detailed analytics on your campaigns, pipelines, calls, and ads. You can track how many leads are coming in, where they're coming from, and how well your sales funnel is performing. It helps you make data-driven decisions and improve your marketing ROI. The app marketplace is where you can connect GoHighLevel with other platforms and tools you use. You'll find integrations for Zoom, WhatsApp, Google Ads, QuickBooks, and more. This helps extend the platform's capabilities and make it fit your specific workflow. Finally, we have the Settings module. Here, you can manage your account details, add users, set permissions, connect domains, configure phone numbers, and adjust your system preferences. Basically, everything related to your workspace setup and team access is managed from here. And that's a complete walkthrough of the GoHighLevel interface. We've covered each module and its main features to help you understand how everything connects together. Once you've set up your integrations and automation, you'll have a fully functioning system to manage marketing, sales, and customer relationships, all from one platform.